Okay. Sunscreen, towels, snacks, low. Check.
Check! Are we ready? Ready!
Almost ready. Just checking the weather.
Dad never checks his phone. He's definitely up to something.
Maybe he's buying a boat.
Atlas, what are you planning? Nothing. Let's go.
Beach!
Oh,
I forgot something inside. Go ahead, get in the car. I'll be right back.
what did you forget?
The sunblock. Extra sunblock.
Perfect. Right on schedule.
Extra sunblock. See?
Mm-mm. Sure. Okay, everyone.
Ken, seatbelts on.
Done.
Scout, I think Dad has a secret.
I know. Is it a boat?
It's not a boat, Arrow.
They're talking about you, you know?
I can't hear anything. Road noise.
Theory 1, a boat. Theory 2, a puppy. Theory 3,
Arrow, we're going to the beach. It's not a puppy.
beach puppies exist. Think about it. He checked his phone, he went back inside, he brought an extra bag.
Oh, I know. He bought T-Reasure.
Atlas, cough.
Road dust. Very dusty road today.
Ocean! I can see it! Oh, wow. It is really blue.
Almost there, everyone.
I can SMEL the ocean.
That's the sunscreen, buddy.
What's that flat thing?
That's a float board. You hold it and kick your legs in the water. It helps you swim.
Oh, can we get one?
Maybe later, buddy. Let's set up first.
We need a good spot. Not too close to the water, not too far.
What about there, near that light-colored rock?
Perfect spot. Great eye, Scout.
Okay, this is our base. Snacks on the left, bags on the right. And the ocean is right there.
Arrow. Dad looked at that rock 3 times.
BH3E times?
The treasure might be real.
Sunscreen time. Everyone come here.
Coming. Just enjoying the view.
Atlas, why is your bag still on your shoulder?
This bag? Oh. I just like wearing it. It's comfortable.
The treasure is in the bag. I think so too.
Arms out, buddy.
Mom, I'm not a baby.
You're MY baby. Arms.
Out.
Here, I'll do your arms.
Thanks, Scout.
Finally, the bag is down.
It was always comfortable. I just got more comfortable.
The water looks so clear.
Okay, I am ready. I am basically a fish.
You said that in the car too.
Should we go with them?
Give them a few minutes. They love the water.
And you? You're not going in?
I'll watch the bags first.
Atlas? Atlas?
Yes. Sorry. Just watching the waves.
Okay, Atlas. What's in the bag?
What bag?
That bag. The one you carried all morning. Sunblock.
Extra sunblock. We discussed this.
Let's check around this rock. Look, the sand is different here.
Someone dug a hole. A treasure hole.
Let's dig. Dig, dig, dig. Faster, Scout. I'm trying. It's deep. Scout, I hit something. It's hard. Careful. Let's pull it out. It is a box. A real treasure box. We found it. For our family. Dad really did hide a treasure.
But
If Dad put it here, why didn't he just GIve it to us?
Because it's a surprise, Arrow.
Oh, O-H. So the treasure is from Dad. Come on, let's go back. But don't say anything yet.
I am a secret keeper. Watch me.
Dad, we found something.
How about that? Atlas. Okay, Plan B.
Dad,
Did YOU put this here?
guilty.
So, there's no pirates?
No pirates, buddy.
Okay, that's fine.
Dad is better than pirates.
Atlas, when did you plan all this?
A while ago.
I wanted today to be special, not just a beach day.
It already is.
Scout, they're being romantic. Can we open the box now? Arrow!
Okay, let's open it.
Finally!
Okay, here we go.
Are you nervous?
No, my hands are just cold. Whoa, it's beautiful.
For our family. So you planned ALL of this? The drive, the beach, the box, just for us?
You read it.
Me?
You're the best reader in the family.
He's not wrong.
To my favorite people in the world. Every year we get busier, but every year I love this family more.
Dad? This is really beautiful. So, you planned this because you love us?
That's exactly why.
Okay, cool. I'm not crying. It's the yawling. It's the ocean wind.
You did good, honey.
We did good. One for Scout, one for Arrow, one for your mom.
And one for me. Atlas, these are engraved. It has my name on it. So you actually went to a store and told them, write Arrow on this tiny shell? I did! That is so cool!
Journey, my greatest adventure. Atlas.
It's true.
Yours says Scout. Mine says Arrow.
Very observant, Arrow.
We match. We're a set.
Hey, group hug now.
I was already here.
Best beach day ever.
Hey, we are building the greatest sandcastle this beach has ever seen.
A treasure castle.
For the box.
We need water to make the sand stick. I'll get some. Dad, the castle needs a moat.
Good thinking.
What's a moat?
A moat is water around the castle to protect it from enemies.
Excellent.
Here's the water. We can pour it on the sides to make them smooth.
Good idea, sweetie.
You're the architect.
And you're the concrete mixer.
Excuse me.
The shells are the flags. Every castle needs flags. I have to admit, this looks pretty good.
It needs a gate. The castle needs a gate. The gate must be big enough for tiny knights to walk through.
What tiny knights?
The ones who live here, Scout. The treasure castle, complete.
It's a little crooked.
Castles are supposed to be crooked. It's, rustic.
Rustic. Where did he learn that word?
From his dad.
Okay, everyone drink some water. It's hot.
Building castles is hard work.
Nobody told me there'd be labor involved.
You suggested it, Dad.
Lunchtime.
Tuna or cheese?
Both.
You can't have both.
Tuna.
Is there ice cream here?
Eat your sandwich first.
There's an ice cream cart near the entrance.
I saw it.
Scout, you are my favorite sister.
I'm your ONLY sister, Arrow.
Still my favorite.
Are you happy?
Very good.
Good.
Welcome. What can I get you?
What do you recommend?
Today's special is mango sorbet. It's dairy-free and very refreshing.
Or if you like creamy.
Which flavor would you like?
Chocolate.
No way.
Strawberry.
Actually,
What's sorbet? Sorbet is like ice cream, but made.
strawberry for the young man. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Come back anytime.
This is the best strawberry ice cream I have ever had.
Arrow, you say that every time.
And every time, I mean it.
This was a good idea.
I was talking about the ice cream.
I was talking about today. Excuse me, is it safe for kids to play in the water now?
Yes. The shallow area is calm today. Waves are small.
See the rope? We stay inside. Cold! It's cold!
You knew it would be cold.
Amazing! It's amazing and cold.
Okay, kick your legs like this.
Like this.
This.
I am the star! Look at these. I found 5 different shapes.
Oh, wow. This one is a spiral.
It's called a conch shell. Conch? Dad, look! No ring!
Good job, buddy. Keep your feet on the bottom.
I'm basically swimming.
Basically.
H.A., the ocean attacked me!
I dodged it.
Nice reflexes, Scout.
I didn't move at all.
Because you're too big to move.
Excuse me, Pat. Can you still find animals?
Living in shells like this on this beach?
Sometimes, yes. But this one is empty. This is the best day ever.
They're going to remember this day for a long time.
That's the point.
The box, the shells, the letter, you thought of everything.
I just wanted them to know they're loved.
The sun is getting lower. It's golden hour.
The water looks like it's on fire. That's the best part of the beach day.
Right at the end.
Okay, everyone get behind the castle. 3, 2,
Wait, the gate is facing the wrong way.
arrow. 3, 2, 1.
Sorry. Ready? Okay. Smile. 3, 2, 1.
Say
Treasure. Treasure. Okay, team, time to pack up.
Mom, there is sand everywhere.
Yes, Arrow, that's what happens at the beach.
It's inside my toes.
Hold the pole, Scout. Don't let go.
Got it. Is it always this hard to fold?
Every
Single.
time.
Maybe we need a tutorial. How did so much sand get in here? It's still coming.
I think we have everything.
Except approximately 5 kilos of sand that are now in Arrow's shoes.
Should we charge the beach for storage?
Goodbye, ocean. I'll miss you.
We're not moving away, Arrow. We can come back.
I know. But this moment,
Same time next year?
in you go.
Wait, the box. Dad's box. Whew.
Already here, buddy. Safe and sound.
Here, keep it in your pocket. Don't lose it.
I will never lose this. Ever.
Good man. All seatbelts?
Arrow. What does yours say on the back? Arrow. Explorer. Mine says explorer. Mine says scout. Adventurer. Dad.
Mine says explorer. You called me an explorer. Because that's what you are, buddy. Scout, do you think Dad planned this for a long time?
I think so. The box had a lock.
The letter was handwritten?
The shells were...
They love the shells.
Good.
You're a good dad, Atlas.
I learned from a good partner.
Today was really good. Really, really good.
Sleep. Explore. He's out.
Took about 20 minutes longer than I expected.
That's a record.
Next time, can we watch the sunset from the water?
That sounds perfect, sweetie.
Okay.
Today was everything, Atlas.
Yeah? Yeah.
The letter, the shells, the sandcastle, all of it.
Worth burying a box in the sand for?
Absolutely worth it. Almost home.
Good timing.
Scout, almost home.
Are we home? We're home. Oh, good.
Still safe?
Still safe.
Good. Now let's get you inside.
Home sweet home.
The sofa. I missed the sofa.
You were gone for 8 hours.
8 long hours. Mission accomplished.
Mission very much accomplished.
Same time next year?
You already asked that.
I'm asking again.
Scout. Adventurer. I like that.
Your dad picked the word himself, you know.
He said Dell.
Scout is always ready for the next adventure. Always.
Adventurer?
Hey, explorer.
Hmm?
Today was fun, right?
Best day ever.
Good.
We should put the box somewhere special.
My room.
The shelf in the living room is better. Everyone can see it.
Okay. The shelf.
Move it left a little.
How's that?
Move it left a little. Here?
Perfect.
So every time we look at the shelf, we remember today?
Every time.
That's smart. Dad is smart.
I have my moments. Just some moments.
What's
The difference between an explorer and an adventurer.
What do you think?
Explorer finds new things. Adventurer enjoys the journey.
Did he just...
Yeah. He did.
Okay. Showers, then bed. Everyone,
5 more minutes.
shower first. 5 minutes after.
Fine. But I'm taking my shell with me.
Scout.
Today was really good. I know.
They loved it, Atlas.
I know.
How long did you plan this?
3 weeks. The engraving took the longest.
Next time, let me help plan.
Deal. But I'm still in charge of burying things in sand.
Obviously.
Right here. So I can see it every morning. Perfect. June. Beach day with Dad's surprise. Scout. Adventurer.
My greatest adventure. Atlas.
Hmm?
Thank you for today.
For all of it. Always.